video 06 of seven of GST. Sum number 13. It is given Jaipur from Rajasthan to Madhya Pradesh. Well, we'll consider everything in Madhya Pradesh. Take Jabalpur, Indore, Bhopal. An article in Jabalpur sold to Indore at 5,000. Sold at 5,000 and rate of GST is 18%. To find state central GST, 9% of 5,000, that is 450. State GST also 450. 450 plus 450 is 900. That's my output tax at Jabalpur. Sold at Indore. Indore cost price 5,000. Input tax is 900. When we sold from Indore to Bhopal, 2,000 profit added. So sold at 7,000. Find central GST, 9% of this. 630. Find state GST, 630. So total output tax is 1260. Bhopal is end user, cost price 7,000. Input tax is 1260. Net cost price 0628. He is not selling anywhere, so output tax is 0. As per question, first question they are asking, net GST payable by dealer in Indore. So output minus input equal to 360. Second question they are asking, CP of the dealer in Bhopal. So total cost price 8260. Sum number 14. Again, A, B, C. Here A bought article at 2,000 and the rate of GST is 18%. To find central GST, 9% of 2,000 is 180. State GST is 180. So input tax, this total 360. But when A sell, he sells same article at 2,500. So central GST is 9% of this 225. State GST 9% of this 225. So output tax is 450. B. What is B's cost price? Selling price of A 2,500. What is input tax? Output of A 450. While B sell, he add 1,000 as a profit. So he is selling at 3,500. He'll also charge central GST 9% of this 315. State GST 315. So output tax is 630. C's cost price is 3,500. Input tax is 630. He is not selling anywhere, so output tax is 0. Now, what question they are asking? First question, input tax payable by dealer A. Input tax of A is 360. Second question, input tax payable by dealer B, 450. Third part, total cost price of dealer C, if it is the end user, 3,500 plus 630 equal to 4130. And the last part they are asking, output GST of the dealer C, he is end user, he doesn't sell, so output tax is 0. Last question, sum number 15. Again it is given in UP and Mumbai. We'll take everything in UP. Agra, Jhansi, Lucknow. A dealer in Agra supply goods service worth rupees 10,000. Selling at 10,000. GST rate is 12%. So first find central GST, 6% of this. I'm sorry, selling at 1,000. 60. State GST 60. So output tax is 120. Jhansi. What is cost price? Same as the selling price, 1,000. Input tax, same as the output of Agra, 120. While he sell the person in Jhansi, he add 600 rupees as a profit. So he is selling as 1,000 plus 600, 1,600. He'll charge central GST 6% of this, 96. State GST 96. Total output tax for Jhansi is 192. Lucknow. Cost price 1,600. Input tax is 192. Now first question they are asking. Input tax for dealer in Jhansi, 120. Second question they are asking. Output tax for dealer in Jhansi, 192. Net GST payable at Jhansi, output minus input, 192 minus 120 is 72. And the last question they are asking, what is the net cost price payable at Lucknow if Lucknow one is the end user? 1,600 plus 192 equal to 1792. Video ends. Thanks.